Welcome to Scribble, my submission for Project 4 of CS50w. All the specification points for this project are in the description as always, along with all the source code on the GitHub repo. But for now it's just a quick demonstration of Scribble. So currently this is the all posts page. I'm not logged in, so I can't do anything, I can't like, so let's log in. So log in here, log in as myself, and I'm brought back to the home page of all the posts, and I can access all the posts from all posts and Scribble, all behaving as intended. But for now, let's make a new post. So I can say something like hello, and note that there's a character count down here. I'm not able to go past 280 characters. If I do, the submits button becomes disabled. So I'll post hello for now. And maybe I want to scroll down, like a few posts, unlike a few posts. It doesn't load anything, it's all done via JavaScript. I can scroll down, I can press next to view more pages, more posts on a different page and previous, and everything's laid out in reverse chronological order. I can now edit one of my posts, and you'll note there's a character count down here to confirm that I don't go over. So this is a demo, and again, if I go past the character limit, it will not able me to press save. But for now, I'll just save it. Fantastic. I can view my own profile and note I can't follow myself. Shame. But follows are displayed, following is also displayed, all my posts are here. I can like my own posts if I really want to. But maybe I want to see who I'm following, so I go to following, and here are all my followers following. So maybe I want to go to Sunny Day's profile, I can unfollow if I wanted to, and the followers count will decrement, and I can follow if I want to restore that feature. Maybe like another post. I think I've covered everything. Oh, and one last thing. If I go to someone's page and I log out, view someone's page while I'm logged out, I'm unable to follow them, so I'm just given their profile. Thanks for checking out.